All right, viewers, it's shifting our focus to the incident that has happened in the national capital, where a 55-year-old doctor was shot dead at a private nursing home in Delhi's Jaitpur last night, according to the staff at the Nima hospital. Two teenagers had reached the hospital late at night. One of them asked for a change of dressing for his injured toe. The night before, the teenager was treated at the hospital. After the dressing was done, the teenager said that they wanted a prescription and went to the cabin of Dr. Javed Akhtar, a practitioner of the Unani medicine. Minutes later, the nursing staff heard gunshots. They rushed to the doctor's cabin and found him bleeding from his head. Meanwhile, a worker shares more details. Now let's listen in.
डॉक्टर जावेद नाइट में यहाँ 8 बजे से थे।
अच्छा, कब से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे?
प्रैक्टिस नहीं, वो आरओ में थे और 2 साल से यहाँ ड्यूटी कर रहे थे।
आप गोली मारने वाले कितने बंदे?
मैं कुछ नहीं देखता, मेरी डे की ड्यूटी होती है।
रात में उस समय से कल थे आप?
नहीं, मैं नहीं।
क्या पता
मुझे मॉर्निंग में हूँ।
आप मॉर्निंग में आपको क्या पता चला?
मॉर्निंग में ये पता लगा कि जो यहाँ रात में 2 लड़कियां हैं, उन्होंने डॉक्टर साहब को पहले दिखाया है पेशेंट बन के, फिर शूट कर दिया है, गोली मार दी।
कहाँ पे गोली मारा था?
उनके हेड पे गोली मारी।
तो मौके पे डेथ हो गई उनकी?
हाँ, मौके पे डेथ हो गई।
थी डॉक्टर साहब?
अब ये मुझे नहीं पता, अब पुलिस अपनी।
All right, viewers, as we can understand that the horrifying incident has been reported from the national capital, where as per the official details that we have as of now, the police in fact confirmed that it was a 3-bed nursing home called Nima Hospital, which is located in the Kalandi Kunj area of Southeast district in Delhi. And to share more details, let me also get across my colleague Mehndi Garg, who's joining me at this point of time. Mehndi, another horrific incident now threatening the security and the safety of doctors has in fact emerged, and this time it's from the national capital yet again, where a doctor has been shot during the duty hours. What are the chilling details that you are in fact also picking up, and what is the atmosphere at the ground that you can also give details about?
Well, yes, Simran, right now I am at the location, and this is the Kalandi Kunj area, and you can see the visuals of Nima Hospital, where this horrific incident, brutal murder has happened. Been in the night around 1 a.m. and if we talk about the details, then around 1:45 a.m. The neighbors informed the police about this incident, and they mentioned that they have heard the gunshots that has happened here, and they are not sure whether the doctor has been killed or is alive or not. And when this incident happened, 2 nursing staff were present inside this hospital, one named as Mohammad Kamil and other named as the Gajala Parveen, and the doctor who has been murdered is named as the Javed Akhtar. And we'll try to talk to other people also and try to understand the situation, that what has actually happened here. Sir, आप यहीं के रहने वाले हैं?
एक मिनट।
तो आपने ये इंसिडेंट देखा है या आपने गन शॉट्स की आवाज़ सुनी थी रात?
देखिए, हमने गन शॉट से तो आवाज़ नहीं सुनी, लेकिन हम यहाँ के मुकामी हैं। हम यहाँ जब से हैं, जब कॉलोनी कटी थी, 30 साल 35 साल से हम लोग यहाँ हैं। ये डी ब्लॉक सिर्फ पुराने आदमियों से बसा है, जो 30 साल पुराने हैं। डॉक्टर साहब के बारे में ऐसा है कि 4 साल 5 साल पहले आए थे और बहुत ही बेहतरीन आदमी थे। रात में 2 बजे भी अगर कोई मरीज आता है और गेट खटखटाता है तो डॉक्टर साहब दवाई देते थे। अगर पैसा हो तो लेते थे, नहीं होते थे तो बाद में देना हो तो दे दो, नहीं, ये सेवा के भाव से।
तो आपको क्या लग रहा है कि कोई दिक्कत थी यहाँ पर, कोई मसला था इस वजह से हुआ है, कोई उनकी दुश्मनी थी?
नहीं, देखिए, दुश्मनी और क्या थी ये तो अब कानून का है, कानून अपना पता करेगी। लेकिन मैं अपने क्षेत्र के हिसाब से बात करना चाहूँगा कि ये कोई पहली घटना नहीं है। इससे पहले 3 घटना सेम ऐसी हो चुकी है। एक 22 साल के लड़के को मार दिया गया था, जो एक नया उभरता हुआ चेहरा था। उसके बाद एक लड़का और था, उसे मार दिया गया था। डकैती सरेआम हो रही है यहाँ। अभी 4 दिन पहले ही डकैती हुई है, घर में बंधक बना के।
So Simran, this is the voice of the people here. They're saying that this is not the first incident that has happened here. And if we talk about who were those people who has come in the hospital, then those were teenagers. It has been informed that the 2 people of 16 to 17 years of age came inside the hospital today in the early morning around 1 a.m. and they said that they want their wounds to be dressed, and they first talked to the staff that was present here in the hospital, and after that they went inside the cabin of the doctor, and then and there they fired the gunshots, and on the spot they killed the doctor. And also it has been informed, according to the sources, that those two people who have murdered the doctor has come one day before at this spot, and they have done a recce of this place, and they understood the situation, that where will the nursing staff will be present, where the doctor sits, where is the cabin, and a whole of the recce has been done of this area. And this is the Nima hospital, and also CCTV camera is also here. And if we talk about the inquiry, Simran, also, then police is inquiring this incident, and they're trying to find the CCTV footage, and they're trying to understand the situation here, and to find out who those two people were here, who were present, and who got inside this hospital. And if we talk about what has been said, then it is being said that this is a targeted killing. This is an issue that where the target was fixed, the recce was completely done, and it was a pre-planned murder that has happened of the doctor. The doctor is being named as the Javed Akhtar, who has been shot dead early in the morning. And you can see the visuals also here of the locality also, that Nima hospital is accompanied by the Azim chemist, and also there is a blood collection center. So this is the area, this is the location where this happened, and this is a street which is a very busy street, as we say. And also the people were saying that around 11 to 12 p.m. also, late in the night also, people roam around these streets, and people are present on the streets here. But when the gunshots were fired and people hear those gunshots from the locality, from the neighborhood areas, they informed the police, and around 1:45 a.m. it is being said by the sources and by the police also, around 1:45 a.m. The call was done, and the police officials were informed about this, and they said that हमें नहीं पता है कि कौन है, हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि डॉक्टर जिंदा है या नहीं. These were the exact things that were said by the people who has informed the police, who has called the police. And also the Nigam Parshad has also come here, and he was also doing the recce of the situation right now today after the horrific incident that has happened. And they're saying that this is not the first incident that has happened here. A lot more incidents are being happening in this locality. This is the Kalindi Kunjas area where this Nima hospital is present, and now the inquiry is being done, and the police is doing their work, and they're trying to find who those two people were. And also, Simran, the most important thing that is to be mentioned also, that some of the people are saying that the doctor was having some issues with some outsiders, and that's why they came here. And also, if not the doctor, but some nurses or the nursing staff was having some problems with the outsiders, and due to that negativity and that hatred, they came here and they killed the doctor dead. So these are the speculations that are coming from the common people, from the Nigam Parshad who has come here to do the recce. These are the things that are being speculated by right now by the other people. But the police is doing their inquiry, and the final statement will be of police, that what was the reason and why did those two teenagers of 16 to 17 years of age came here and shot the doctor dead in cold blood. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mendi, thank you for sharing the latest that you in fact have gathered as far as the horrific incident that has now emerged in the national capital as far as the killing of the doctor on duty from Delhi's Kalindi Kunj is concerned. The police is investigating the matter.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.